In this video guide, I want to show how to install Facebook Fun Coupon app on our fan page. So you just have to go to Fun Coupon installation page. If you want to use the app, we have to accept all necessary permission. App will ask for your email address, and in addition to email address, we will ask for manage your pages permission. It's necessary for installation process. From left hand side drop down box, select your fan page and enter the URL to your website. In this case, it is our demo page. And click Install Page.